Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today we are completing our e-commerce application in the jQuery. So what we're doing now, like we are sorting this table. We're using table sorter plugin, and when you click on delete, we have to clear our cart. And whenever you clear or whenever you add to cart, we should show some notification like we added a item to cart or not. And also they should need add. When you click on add to cart, it will update immediately. So now it is not updating, so we have to refresh it, right? So instead of that, it should update. So now let's go and start. And first we're gonna be see how to clear our cart first. So already I have a class called clear cart. So clear cart dot on click. So we used to clear our complete we have to clear our cart. So we given a make easy, right, as a key. So we should remove that make easy. So for that, window dot local storage dot remove item make easy. That's it. Once you remove it, so it will delete all items in the cart. And refresh it. You click on it. Yes, it is made into 0 now. If you click on add to cart, this total value is not updating. So we have to update that. So for that, so in add to cart function, we are adding a function called total cart value function. So once you add this, right, if you refresh it and if you increment, yes, it automatically incrementing now. So we have a clear and incrementing we already have, and we'll go to visit a cart page. Yes, this button also will work now. If we go over there and if you click on it, it will make me empty, right? So now we're gonna do table sorting, right? We should do table sorting now. So we have a plugin we already added in the code. So the plugin name is table sort JS. So the cart, in the cart file, so table sorter dot min.js file I was added it. So in the cart JS file, what I was doing, like we need to call table sorter method. That's it. So function, and it should be called for the, so in the cart.html I given a keywords id, table keywords id. So I'm just calling that one keywords, and we have to call table sorter function. That's it. Go and refresh that one. Yes, iPhone X, B, black camera, iPhone X, right? All the fields. So now what we are doing, so whenever you clear or add to cart, we should show some notifications, right? So for that, I'm using a plugin called plugin name is naughty.css and naughty.min.js. So let's go to script, and we're going to be creating one more function called notify function name notify, and we used to pass here type means the warning, the success message, and all the text. So once that, so function, and now define a values, a new noti. Okay, so first attribute is the type and means success or a warning kind of, and we should display where should need to display, right? So layout, top right, it's correct, and text, we should display some text also, right? We are only passing the text, and after that we should show the message. That's it. This notify I'm calling in couple of places. So for example, update quantity. So once you update it, so success quantity updated, and I need in couple of places also, like for example while clearing a cart also we need. So I'm just copying this one. So clearing a cart was happening over here, right? Yes, I'm putting over here, but I'm giving a warning there. Warning. So deleted items in the cart. The cart I'm just passing prevent default e dot prevent default, and also while adding a cart also we should pass this message. So while adding a cart, in the sense here we have to add, but this is a warning and this is a success again, and item added to cart. So now go over there and refresh it. Yes, quantity is updated, and if you clear it out, deleted items in the cart. So now if you see add to cart, item added to cart, item added to cart, you can go over there, you can delete here, item deleted, right? So once you delete it, these items are not updating. So we have to display these things in this click function also, right? While clearing the cart. So now if you go back and if you add items to cart, so I'm clearing these messages. So you can also delete items from the cart page. So once you click on it, you should make these all empty. That's it. This is a complete a cart solution. We can also add incrementer, so decrementer in the cart page while incrementing the quantity, the price and total price should be increased. And you can also implement any cart option like any Stripe or PayPal payment gateways, and so add to cart, the button should be updated like added in the cart, you just increment the quantity. So like this many features we can add, we will add in so later videos, but we are completing this series. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like this jQuery e-commerce project videos. Thank you for watching. So please do subscribe to make easy.